there, this is Nick Weber with Archer. Today on Target, we're talking about what grinds my gears. I'm going to start by caveating this, and even though I'm a former auditor, I will say, while it grinds my gears, it still happens, even with the approval of NERC and FERC at times. But what really gets me going, what grinds my gears, is seeing an auditor go to the purpose and intent, particularly at the requirement level. I think we can all agree generally on the purpose and intent at the standard level, but getting to the requirement level is a totally different animal. I've been in and around the standard drafting process a bit through my career, and I would say that even amongst those groups, the framers, if you will, of those standards, you wouldn't get complete agreement on what the purpose and intent of each requirement or even sub-requirement is. So for an auditor to come and hold an entity responsible to or accountable to the purpose of an intent, essentially an unwritten requirement, to me is not only unfair, but it's unenforceable, and that's what grinds my gears.
Tell us what really grinds your gears. Contact Archer today. Also, comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover. You never know, you might see your comment on an episode of On Target.